Good day for everybody here at the Philippines for the National Low Carb Day 2023. That body is not yours. How will you take care of it? Lalasunin mo ba? Or are you going to take care of it and nourish it? Tanungin nyo lang, every time you decide on what food to eat, is this going to nourish me or poison me?
There's a saying, health is wealth.
I started Malunggay Pandesal 15 years ago. At ang sabi nila, nakakatawa daw ako.
When I just changed my lifestyle, my eating plan, nag-heal po yung body ko. 3 years na po na insulin-free.
I am strong. I'm braver than my past. The old has gone. The new has come.
This is the National Low Carb Day 2023.
Okay, you already know. I think you are one of the best audience talaga na nakita ko when it comes to convention, conferences, and I'm so proud to be a part of this community. Hindi man tayo magkakaroon ng opportunity to talk one-on-one, but we are in each other. Yung katabi mo, meron ding low-carb story yan. And of course, you yourself will serve an inspiration to others.
Sa pagkain ng tama, sa pagkain ng strict low carb, kailangan nating samahan ng exercise. Isama natin yan sa daily routine natin. Para syempre, kahit na may edad na tayo, feeling young pa rin tayo.
Paano naman natin gagawin ng tama ang paglo-low carb?
Commitment. Kahit magdadaan tayo ng mga humps, committed tayo na tatapusin natin. Make a goal. Pagka na-reach natin ang goal, make another goal. Kailangan maging lifestyle ninyo. We adapt, we will evolve.
Alam namin hindi madali ang low carb. Sa Pilipinas pa, as a community, kailangan po natin magsama-sama. Your life is a testimony to your loved ones that you continue, sabi nga ni Tito J, fighting. So fighting po yung LCIF. Sabi nga po ni Hippocrates, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food.
Bakit dapat gawing lifestyle ang low carb and fasting? If you wanted to live longer, good lifestyle. LCF is the key.
I am strong. I won't back down. I'll carry on until the Lord says, great job, well done.
Thank you and God bless you.